What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to be learning how to play Dancing on My Own by Robyn on the good old ukulele. Also, I want to note that I love Calum Scott's version of this song, so I'm taking a little inspiration of his cover onto the ukulele as well. So before we dive into this ukulele tutorial, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it if you haven't already. When you click it, it will turn gray, which means that you are subscribed to this channel. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And again, you'll be notified when I upload. What other YouTube-y things can I throw at you right now? Leave a comment below and also give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and you did learn something. Finally, follow me on Instagram. We have a following of almost 45,000 Instagram fan members. So if you want to join that family, I'll put a link in the description below, or just go on Instagram and type in Ricky Somborn and I'll be there. So enough with all the YouTube-y promo things. Let's get on to the tutorial. So the ukulele chords for this song are super simple. So if you're a beginner, you're not going to have a problem with these at all. These are all pretty standard chords, and there are 4 of them. So the first chord that you're going to be needing for this song is A minor. The second chord is a C. The next chord is a G. And last but not least is the F chord. So if you already know how to play those 4 chords and you want to move on to the strumming or the mini play along, I'll put a timestamp right here so you can fast forward to wherever your heart desires. Also, I want to note that I actually did record a full play along with lyrics and chords on screen. I'll put it right up here. Just click where it says click here for play along. I made a separate video and it's just dedicated just to the play along. So if you want to go ahead and learn the song and then strum along with that, sing along with it, click up there. I'll also leave a link in the description below so you can find that there. So yeah, let's get into how do we play these chords. So as always, before we dive into how we play these chords, if you're unfamiliar with how we name these strings, I'm gonna quickly tell them to you right now. So the top string, when you're holding it, this top string, we are gonna call the 4th string. And then below that is gonna be the 3rd, and then 2nd, and then the last string at the bottom is going to be called the 1st string. And then you're also going to note that there are some lines on your fretboard, which this is what we call the frets. So 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and so on. So that's how we're going to be naming those. So now, the first chord that we're going to be learning is the A minor chord, and I like to play it with my middle finger. So we're going to take our middle finger and we're going to put it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The second chord that we're going to be learning is the C chord, and we're going to play it with our ring finger, which is this one next to the pinky. We're going to put it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to be learning is the G chord. So we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to put it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. We're going to take our middle finger and we're going to put it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then we're going to take our ring finger and we're going to be putting it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And again, I have the diagram right up here if you want to just follow along with the diagram. And it should sound like this. And again, last but not least, we're going to be learning the F chord. So how I like to play it is I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then I take my pointer finger and I put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And it should sound like this. So now that we have all the chords, let's go into the strumming pattern. So for this song, there are 3 ways that I like to play it. And the first one is going to be more of a beginner strum. The second one is a little bit more advanced, but nothing too crazy. And the third one is a finger picking style that I like to play, which I think sounds absolutely amazing. So the first strumming pattern that we're going to be learning is the down, down, up, up, down, up. So if you can't guess from the actual title of that strumming pattern, it's just going to be down, down, up, down, up. So let's put out down our A minor chord, which again is just the first string, 2nd fret. So we're going to go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So now I'm going to play a little bit of the beginning of the song with the down, down, up, down, up strumming so you can hear what it sounds like. Somebody said you got a new friend. Does he love you better than I can? A big black sky over my town. Know where you're at, I bet he's around. So the second strumming pattern that I want to talk about for this song is a little bit more advanced than the first one that I just showed you, but don't worry, it's not crazy hard, so it's definitely very doable. So the second strumming pattern is just down, up, 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 down, up. So I'll do it a little bit slower. I'm sure you're probably like, what is going on? So we'll do it a little slower this time. So it's just down, up, down, up, down, up. So that is the entire strumming pattern. So if we do it for two times, it would be down, up, 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 down, up. So that's what you're going to be playing for the entire song. So let's put down the C chord, and I'm going to do it how I would play it normally for this song. Again, you can slow it down, you can speed it up, whatever you want, but this is how it should sound when you play it all together. Again, I'll be playing a little bit of the beginning of the song just to show what it should sound like. Somebody said you got a new friend. Does he love you better than I can? There's a big black sky over my town. I know where you're at, I bet he's around. So that is how you do the second strumming pattern. Now let's talk about the finger picking style that I like to play this song with. So the finger picking style that I like to play is called the 4-2-3-1 finger picking pattern. And if you can guess from the, again, title, they're not very hard titles to figure out what the actual strumming or finger picking is, but it's gonna be just picking the 4th string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string. So as we mentioned previously, naming of the strings. So the top string is again the 4th string. The next one down is the 3rd. Next one down is the 2nd. Next one down, the last one at the bottom, is called the 1st. So we're gonna be plucking the 4th string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string. So let's lay down our C chord, and let's just do a slow finger picking for the song. Again, I do want to mention for this finger picking style, I did do a dedicated video for this finger picking pattern. I'll link it right up here. Click it if you want a more in-depth tutorial, and then come back to this part so you can play along with the chords. So let's lay down our C chord and let's play the 4-2-3-1 pattern. So again, in 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. We're going to speed it up soon. 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. A little faster. So So that is how you do the 4-2-3-1 finger picking style. And again, as the previous 2 strumming patterns, I'll be playing a little bit portion of the beginning of the song just so you can hear what it sounds like. Somebody said you got a new friend. And does he love you better than I can? There's a big black sky over my town. I know where you're at, I bet he's around. So those are the 3 different styles that you can play this song. Again, I will be putting a link in the description below to the full play along of this song so you can have the lyrics and chords on screen. And also, as always in any of the tutorials or play alongs, I include all the lyrics, the chords in the description below so you can copy and paste them and put them on your computer and save them for later, just for your convenience. So congratulations, you now know how to play Dancing on My Own by Robyn/Calum Scott on the ukulele. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet and you've watched this far, what are you doing? Click the red subscribe button below, it will turn gray. Hit the bell notification if you want to get notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And leave me a comment below letting me know if you liked it, you hated it, whatever you want to let me know. Leave it in the comments below. I'll be happy to read them if they're nice. And also let me know what other songs you want me to do on this channel. Again, thank you so much for everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.